Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to this very quick forum overview video. I'm just going to zip through a few quick sections. If you have additional questions and want me to show anything else in a video, please reply in the comments. And so jumping right into it, we're on the main page and we'll jump into the starter kit. This is the first place that you should have a look at. And notice these pinned messages. Whenever you see this little pin logo, that means this is a message that you should really take a look at. That has great helpful information in it. And so you can see the about the starter kit category message here, and it talks about how the forum is laid out with different sections and what's coming and so on. If we just go back, we can also see the user guide here. For the badge and point system. It jumped right down to the bottom because I had read all of that before, but thanks to Shada, we have a really great overview of how the badge and point system works, and so you can have a look with some examples, all kinds of different badges and so on that you can earn. And when you see this leaderboard, these are the points that people have earned during the early birds period, which is going to be finishing quite soon at the end as of the time of recording by the end of June. So have a look at that. If we go back to the main section of the forum, moving on to the HyperHack, you can see that here we have some subsections with some recent posts there. There's a calendar of events. You can bump forward and see what's happening in future months, come back to today. But in particular, I want to draw your attention towards these pinned posts, and in fact, the welcome to the HyperHack hackathon post. You see there's also judging criteria, 5 sessions, how to get test tokens, the Spotlight campaign, which just started, and so on. But when we have a look at the welcome to the HyperHack hackathon, you can see like a clear description of, what's going on, the different stages. We've already finished stage 1, we're into stage 2 where we have development, etc. And so you can see the rest of the details there. And notice that there's links to get more details about different sections. How to, have a look at the bonus track, etc., etc. So that's where you can find all the information about that. When we've moved back on to the announcements, notice I can just always click this Metis logo at the top and bring me back to the main menu here, or I can just jump straight to the announcements there. Here you can see, the 3 different kinds of announcements, how that's organized. You can see the broad calendar here for everything across the whole forum, and different kinds of posts there. You can see some interesting thought leadership posts that are coming in from various people, and so on. And so that's helpful content there, so you can see what's going on. We have a general chat here, where you can just chat about whatever it is you want. Now there's a specific section here for Turkish language posts, and so and for the Turkish community, feel free to jump in there if that applies to you. And I think that's about it. And so if there's anything else that you would like me to talk about and explain and you can't find it in various places, please let me know in the comments and in your replies. Thank you very much.